Would you sit down? Kamino is talking. Would you sit down? I am talking.
Under the rules of this court, senior counsel has preference, speaks first before any other person except the Attorney General. So if you would please sit down. I, as senior counsel.
I will not speak down. We are not practicing law. You are doing breastfeeding.
That is not true. So my lord,
my lord, what
Dr.
I'm saying,
Kabuna, finish what you're saying.
what I'm saying to you, my lord, we need a hearing process, and this court is going to provide that hearing process. Let the lawyers say what they want to say. What are we hearing for? Let us not have some people calling themselves professor or senior counsel, titles that don't mean anything at all when it comes to this.
I think they mean something, Dr. Kabuna. They do mean something.
Something means something when it's you and you approve it. Yeah. My lord, all that I'm saying to you, let people talk. Let people address you. Where are we going?
People will talk.
When the country is burning.
Dr. Kamila, you have made your point.
Yes, thank you very much.
You have made your point.
I have made the point.
Professor.
We have a Deputy Chief Justice who has been removed irregularly. Let us be given time to be able to address it.
my lord, I think those of us who are representing substantive respondents, we all agree that you have given orders that we will comply with, including my learned senior DP Muigai, who I believe you have added some more time and he's happy with that. Maybe it would help if we informed Dr. Kamino that it is not the whole matter that is being heard in 10 minutes. It's a very small slice of an application on empowerment. That's all I wanted to clarify.
So, Dr. Kabuna, I've heard what you said. We'll stick to the time allocations, but in the event that one party needs more time, they will tell.